everyone, my name is Vishaka Santosh Muri and I am from Yashwantaraw Chavan School of Social Work, Satara. Today I will be speaking on the topic that is suicide and unsuccessful decision. I don't know how many of you believe that this statement is true, but I personally do. As viewers may be from different age groups, I will make sure that I will make you comfortable and positive towards your life. Now, why comfortable and positive is because when you're not comfortable with your life or when you're not positive towards your life, you go and take these negative decisions. And that is quite wrong. When you don't know that how important your life is and you don't know that how to deal with those problems, you take these negative decisions like suicide, and that is not a last option. For this, you need to understand that what your life is about. You need to understand the term life, as our journey begins from when we start breathing in our mother's womb and ends at the age of 80s or 60s, and nowadays quite earlier. That means you can't even imagine that what will happen next with you. That means you have to achieve so many things in your life. You have to be a satisfied person and a successful person, and you have too short time. So you have to live the life in satisfied manner also. The days in your hands, you have to be happy all the time, and that will only happen when you're positive. I don't say that you have to always be positive, and I don't even say that it is also not impossible to be positive all the time. It is possible if you think in positive way. Positive is a term which is created by yourself to make yourself feel comfortable in the nature, in the environment you live. And for that, you will be responsible. If you go negative, you will always do negative things. If you are positive, you will always be in positive thinking. And that is important. I know that it is not all the time possible to be positive, but it is also not impossible to be positive all the time. You can be. If you think, you can do anything. For that, you should know the importance of life. And to know the importance of life, I would advise you that please go and ask the person who is suffering from cancer. He knows that he is going to die after days, after months, or after years. But then to everyone advises him to stay strong, to be happy, to be healthy also. And he does those all things because he knows that if he is going to die one day, the days in his hands, he has to live it happily. There is no birth again. And that is the thing, he lives his remaining days in the happy manner. So if that patient can understand the meaning of life, we are normal human beings, we are not suffering from any diseases, then why we have to take our depressions and our tensions in so serious way? The way we don't even take our life in serious way. So we need to understand that what exactly is serious and what exactly is not. If I take example of a woman suffering from domestic violence, I know she's suffering from domestic violence. She's been harassed all the day, all the night. Fine. She can speak for herself. She can take a stand for herself. She can be an independent woman only when she thinks that I have to take a step for myself. Only when she thinks that I am a positive woman and I am an independent woman. That will only happen when she is positive. And if she's all the time negative, she will definitely take a step which is harmful to her, her children as well as family, her parents also. If your children are not scoring good marks or not scoring good percentage, fine, it is all okay. You can explain them that yes, if you're not scoring good right now, you have to score it in next. Analyze your mistakes. You will definitely score good in the next attempt. In this situation, I also advise parents to support them in the same way. I know you're pressurizing them because you expect more from them. Your children you will expect, I can understand. But your advices are taken wrong in this, taken in negative way in this phase and age group. So you need to explain them in the simple manner. Next, if you're not satisfied with your job, fine. If you're not satisfied, you're not happy, just quit it. Because if you're not satisfied, how will you be happy? You will all the time be depressed and thinking that what will be next, and you will always go in negative phase. So just quit it. You can go, you can achieve something better than before. And that is all you need is just choose the options in front of you. Why you have closed the options in front of you in the frame? Just come out of that frame. Think in positive way. There are many options. You can just pick one and go for it. Persons are going through many problems and it is okay. You don't have to take it as burden. Just take it as, yes, I can deal with it in positive way. When you go in negative way, everything happens wrong with you. And you will definitely go in the wrong state. And that is not needed nowadays. We all are suffering and going through many problems. But that does not mean that we end our life in an easy manner. We need to achieve many things. We haven't achieved anything yet. And that's all is in the meaning. So to achieve more and more success, we need to be positive. When you have a desire to achieve something, you always be positive. And that's what is needed. Keep motivating yourself. If a person is going through depression, I advise him that yes, take a healthy talk, communicate with the person who will make you comfortable, who will help you to come out of that situations, who will motivate you all the time which is required to come out of it. Problems are there in everyone's life. It can be solved by communicating also. A sensitive example if I give you, a disabled child, the child who needs special attention, who needs that pampering all the time, who needs that special attention and that special love and care. And his parents, if they take that child as a burden and if they take that child as a problem, they won't be able to deal it. They won't be able to be happy with that child. But if they feel that yes, that is my child, I have to deal it, I have to take it as my child, and I have to make everything normal, then they will come to know that yes, he just needs special attentions and that's all, we can give it, right? We can deal with that problem. That child is not a problem. That child is special problem. And that problem is normal. We can deal it in normal way also. Just think in that way. Children's are not problems. Those disabled children are not problems, right? They are responsibilities. And they just need special attention, that's it, and we have to give it. So your problems are in the same way. You just need to give them special attentions, take it as lightly as you take your life, deal with it as a strong person. You will definitely come over it, and that all is needed. So suicide is not a last option, and it is an unsuccessful decision because you are nothing right now. Keep yourself motivated as well as positive, which will help you to come over it, and that is all is needed. And what is expected is, don't pressurize yourself, don't torture your soul so much that you will stop thinking in positive way. Keep yourself motivated, keep yourself and soul happy all the time, because every individual is unique. Feel yourself in that way. That will help you to come over all the problems you're going through. That's all is needed. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.